Hey, I don't know what had happened, but yeah, so this is the mukbang continued. So we started off with our pho, right? And I'm continuing. We are woofing it down. It is so good. We are so blessed to have this. So I'm going back in for seconds. Yeah, in the middle of my challenge, I should not be doing this, but it is all healthy. It's seafood, and I did not use anything too salty or anything that would cause me to like bloat up. Now my kid did. He just admitted that. But yeah, I made plenty. We have so much seafood in here, it's not even funny. It was more like the seafood that I had added together, it should have been a gumbo. But we're not doing it gumbo style. We're doing it pho style. So we have the pho noodles, well, the rice noodles, and it is just so delicious. So I'm just gonna have a few more bites, and I just want to thank you. Yeah, something had happened. My camera had messed up, and I kind of lost it halfway through the video. So I'm continuing on, and I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I hope everyone's safe, alive, healthy. I'm sweating up a storm. This pho is super good. I outdid myself. Right, you guys?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, yes. So, very simple recipe. It was very good. So, here we go. We have a piece of the salmon that was put in. Fresh from the fish market. We have a fresh piece of shrimp. And then here, let me get some crab so you guys can see the crab. We have some wonderful crab. So here, so of course we have the bean sprouts. Let me add some more in here. Ooh, splashy, splashy. Yes, and we have to have our green onion. We have some lemon over here on the table. I forgot to add that in the video before. It is so good. So good, so good. So again, I had used a chicken base. I used some garlic, and I had used, what else did I use over there? Oh, some Old Bay. Some Old Bay. And I had boiled everything. I didn't bake anything. I didn't fry anything. It was all boiled. Everything was fresh caught and boiled in one pot. And I had just made, when I had boiled everything, I had made the pho broth like that. So everything that I had boiled out with that, that's what we're using right now. That's what we're eating with. And it actually has wonderful seasoning with it. And if anybody had wanted any extra seasoning, well, then we have the sweet sauce too. We have our soy sauce if we needed it, but no one really eats the soy sauce, so we didn't end up using that. And then we have our extra additives, which were the bean sprouts, and we have the jalapenos and, you know, just the toppings. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful turnout. Everyone's getting wonderfully full. I'm actually getting full. I shouldn't have served myself a second plate or a second bowl, but super good. Now that I'm making this video, I'm actually really full. Well, probably have 2 more bites and put it away. It's good. These kids are tearing it up. Really simple to make. You know, if you're entertaining, you have guests over, you have kids over, the kids will eat it. You know, I highly recommend it, and I hope you'll try it yourself. Yes, so this is Jay Bea Lennux. When you grow, I grow, we grow together. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry I didn't take you in the kitchen this time to go ahead and make it with me, but I would have loved to. As you can see, I made it myself. This is what we're down to. That's all we have left. So we've been tearing it up, and that pot was full. So yeah, you enjoy yourselves, and I appreciate you watching. Like, follow, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications. Share the videos, people. Thank you so much. You're so awesome, and many blessings. Bye.